Hello, good morning from Milan. Right now we're in our hostel still, and we have a flight from Milan to Istanbul at 2:30 p.m. So right now we have to check out, and then we have to go to the airport. From the Milan Centrale, we have to take a bus, and then we have to go to the airport. And let's see how it goes. We'll check out first. So we packed our bags, and we are heading towards the airport. So this is a new way of checking out. So because there is no office in the hotel, so we just have to keep our keys in the checkbox out there, and then we can just leave. As mentioned earlier, we have taken a travel pass around the Milan, so we can take any kind of transportation like bus, tram, or any kind of metro. So it was expired because it's valid only for 24 hours. As you can see, this is a tram where it is connected around the city. So as I was saying, our travel pass doesn't work today. So keeping this in mind, we booked the hotel very close to the Milan Centrale, which is the metro station. So we just kept walking towards the station. Now it is 11 in the morning, and we had to catch the flight at 2:30. So we realized we cannot eat anything at the airport. So we just went to the KFC in the metro station and had our lunch and breakfast at the same time because we didn't have the time to have the breakfast. After eating, we just went to the metro station and took the shuttle service that is provided from the airport to metro station, and then from the metro station to the airport. This service is provided all the every day, and this is continuous. And if you want to buy a ticket offline, it's 12 euro, and if you can buy a ticket online, it's 10 euro. So we took the ticket online and boarded the bus. So it takes 40 to 60 minutes to reach the airport. But today there was a huge traffic, so we had to wait in the bus for like 20 more minutes. Then we reached the airport and we realized that there was a huge line for the security check. Due to the heavy traffic, there were so many people who came at the same time. So due to this, there was a huge line for the security check. Since we don't have the time to stay in the security check, we bought a fast track ticket because our flight was in just 30 minutes. So right now we're in Milan, and the security check was too long, so we had to buy a fast track ticket to security check. So we just got in, and let's go. We are flying with another jet, which is a low budget airline from Turkish Airlines. The aircraft ascended with a seamless grace, lifting off the runway in a smooth and tranquil takeoff. While we were in the air, traveling towards Istanbul, we came across this beautiful mountains of Swiss and the Slovenian Alps. Time of flight is 2 hours and 30 minutes, but the real problem started before the landing, like half an hour before. As you can see, even the wings are flapping too much before the landing. But luckily, we landed very safely, and even the passengers all were cheering for the safe landing. We were lucky enough. So we've crossed the immigration line and reached Turkey. Our destination is not Istanbul but Cappadocia. So our next flight is from Istanbul to Kayseri. So this flight is at 11:30 p.m. So we had to wait like 4 hours in the airport. So right now we are walking towards the domestic side of the airport. So since we have traveled from Milan to Istanbul, we are in the international. Now we have to move from international to domestic. After moving towards the domestic side of the airport, so we went to check in our bags into the airline. Right now we are traveling with Pegasus, so there was a huge line, but we saw this innovative check-in service available at the Pegasus Airlines. So with this technology, we can just randomly go to the airport Don't need to stand in the long queues for the chicken luggage. So we can just weigh our luggage on the counter and then get the ticket and then just send the luggage directly. And we can even print our boarding pass here. So it's really helpful when we are in a rush, or when we don't have the time to do wait in check-in lines. Or I've never used this service before. If you might have used it, comment down in the comment section and let me know. So as you can see, this machines just took the jobs of some people. As we are done with our check-in, we were just roaming around the airport and just seeing some all kinds of stuff here. So we just have to wait for 4 hours. We have nothing to do. So we're just looking towards all the shops and how much they are charging for the items. After a long wait and 15 minutes of delay, they called us for boarding. So this flight is 55 minutes long. So we just had some talk and then we'll just let it be, because we were already tired by waiting for 4 hours, and then we had this amazing view. This flight was not like the other one, but this has a safe landing and it's very good. We reached Kayseri around 12:45. It is around 3 degrees right now and it is really cold. We are not prepared for this. So we are not done yet because we have to reach Cappadocia. So it's 1 hour from here. So we booked a taxi. We've reached Kayseri, and from here we have to go to Cappadocia for a hot air balloon event. So we booked a shuttle from the hostel that we are living in. So we're just following him. The driver was going very fast, but even after he's going at 100 km per hour, we took 1 hour to reach from Kayseri to Cappadocia. So after 1 hour, we just reached a hotel named Hotel Terra Vista. We paid €7.50 each. So the distance with for the money is actually reasonable. So we just book it from the hotel that we are staying. As you can see, the room was good. We have a double bed and a single bed for a three. So I think that's the end of the video, guys. So this video is mostly about the travel that we have done on the day two. And I hope you like it. Follow me on my socials and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Peace.